inside the light, where elegance begins. Marble floors and golden doors, where dreams have always been. From skylines to quiet seas, behind these castle walls, every space a story, every echo has a call. In these walls of
Welcome back to a place where we dare to dream without limits, looking at a masterpiece of architecture. Like this isn't just about admiring stone and glass. It's about recognizing the discipline, the late nights, and the relentless drive required to build such a life. This home stands as a physical trophy of what is possible when you commit to excellence. Let it fuel your ambition. Let it be the why that gets you out of bed when the world is still sleeping, because you, too, are capable of building a legacy.
It's walls of dreams, we build our peace. With chandeliers and velvet seats. It's more than gold, it's where we grow. In every room our hearts will know that luxury's not just what we see, but how we live, how we believe. So walk with pride through open doors. Luxury's life and so much more. Crystal like with pride through doors, with chandeliers and velvet seats, and so much more.
There is a profound beauty in the rewards of hard work. Walking through these grand halls and looking out over the private docks, we see the ultimate freedom that financial success provides. It's the ability to curate your environment, to protect your peace, and to provide a sanctuary for those you love. This level of luxury is a marathon, not a sprint. It's a reminder that greatness takes time, but the view from the top is worth every sacrifice made along the way. Above, reflections deep and wide, modern lines with timeless minds and joy we cannot hide. Each corner holds a vision, each color speaks with grace. The signs a form of living, it's love in every place. Life teaches through like curves and stone, that comfort comes when hearts find home. No need for more, just space to breathe. The beauty whispers you've achieved. In these walls of dreams we rise, we heal where passion
Hearts can't feel luxury lives where peace is found, not just in mentions, in the sound of silence. Stillness scented air. Oh, design your world with love and care. So walk with pride through open doors, luxuries, life, and so much more. So walk with pride through open doors, luxuries, life, and so much more. Step inside the light where elegance begins. Marble floors and golden
However,
doors where
look
dreams
closer,
have always been.
and you'll realize that the soul of this home doesn't come from its price tag. It comes from the intention behind it. True luxury is not reserved for the billionaire. It is available to anyone who chooses to elevate their daily life. You don't need a mansion to experience elegance. You can find it in a clean space, a perfectly brewed morning coffee, or the way the sunlight hits your favorite chair. Luxury is a feeling of order, gratitude, and self-respect that you can cultivate right where you are today.
Crystal lights above, reflections deep and wide, monolined with timeless minds and joy we cannot hide. Each corner holds a vision, each color speaks with grace. The signs a form of living, it's love in every place. Life teaches through like curves and stone, that comfort comes when hearts find home. No need for more, just space to breathe, where beauty whispers you've achieved. In these walls of dreams we rise, we heal.
While you work for the life you want, never forget to fall in love with the life you have. Your current home is the foundation of your future empire. When you treat your modest space with the same care and pride as if it were this waterfront estate, you are practicing for your future. Contentment isn't about settling. It's about being so full of gratitude for your current blessings that you become a magnet for even greater ones. Make your current home luxurious by filling it with peace, light, and purpose.
Open doors, luxuries, life, and so much more. So walk with pride through open doors, luxuries, life, and so much more.
So let this tour be your roadmap. Work hard, because you deserve to experience this waterfront masterpiece. This world is the definition
offer,
but stay grounded It's a testament your happy to what is possible. Should never be a prisoner. When vision to your means perfection. If this tour inspired into a dream home, make sure to let us know and let your ambition feature build the rest. The most. If this in the comments below resonated for more exclusive access to the with us. In the comments, extraordinary home elevating. Subscribe today to Luke's House to Luxury House. Your journey to the perfect lifestyle. For more inspiration on the art. Thank you for watching. Keep dreaming, keep building, and we'll see you in the next tour.
Every space is story, every echo has a call. These walls